Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And today I would like to unbox this beautiful kit from Diamond Heart powered by Diamond Dots, Glass Doves, and I also would like to show you my 3 work in progress. 2 of them are diamond painting kits and 1 is a beaded cross stitch kit. So let's start. This kit has been purchased from eBay. I was actually going to order it from Michael's, but it was kind of expensive over there. I got it for $21. And the reason why I purchased it is the so-called joint project. The matter is that I am a member of a chat in WhatsApp, and the majority of the members there are YouTube bloggers, mostly Ukrainians, Russians, and Belarusians, just Russian speaking people from former USSR countries who decided to join a project uh, that is called Peace in the World. All of us have chosen a design to diamond paint, and this way we will try to motivate people to live in peace. So let's open. I decided to select this design. So let's open and see how it looks inside. The kit is really very nicely and accurately packaged inside in plastic bags. And this is how the canvas looks. Actually, it is semi-partial, I would say, or semi-full. The thing is that it is diamond painted with resin round drills. It comes with 24 colors, but as you can see, part of the background is not diamond painted. Although we can say that this is just an extension of the frame as the majority of Diamond Dots kits, but this frame is a little bit bigger than the standard ones. No, well, no, actually, I think we can say it a full round drill diamond painting kit with some frame extension. That's how the canvas looks. As always, a great imprint. This is like a stained glass style. 2 doves. And of course, when I was purchasing it and looking at the design, I was already thinking of making a few changes there, replacing if it's not already going with there, replacing white drills with AB diamonds. Unless again, this kit already comes with white AB diamonds, specifically on the doves. And most likely, I will use some crystals over here. So this is it. A really nice drawing, rendering, I would say. Although if you can see, there are some parts that are not diamond painted even inside of the designs. Also over here, look, you see some of the blues. So let's open the drills and see if we have any ABs. Actually, yes, this diamond painting kit comes with 2 AB colors. But let's look at the rest. So 25 colors are resin drills, but again, I'm thinking of replacing the majority of them with the crystal ones. I have plenty, maybe some neon ones, we'll see. A lot of shades of yellow, a lot of shades of blue color, gray. There is also some shades of orange, but actually I was thinking, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that, replacing the orange one with blue and yellow, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe I would leave the orange one as well. I like the shades of this diamond painting kit, blue and yellow, and this is really very relevant at this point because of the war in Ukraine. But these are 2 AB colors, yellow and white. So this is great. I do not have to actually replace any white resin drills because it already comes with the ABs. So That's how the kit looks. We start the project on Monday, this Monday, on the 16th of May. And once I'm finished, I don't think it will take me too long. I will upload a video review. Now, I would like to show you two diamond painting kits that I'm working on right now. The first one is the Field of Dreams from Diamond Dots, a full square drill diamond painting kit. The lady with a horse. I really love how it's turning out. It does take me some time to complete it because this diamond painting has 34 colors, a lot of confetti, and of course the size. It's not that big, but still. And unfortunately, I do not have enough time to diamond paint. For example, I haven't worked on it for the last week. I had a chance to diamond paint it only yesterday for a few hours. So this is the one. And the next one is the icon of Virgin Mary. I'm not sure why the camera doesn't really show the sparkle. The sparkle is so amazing, so intense from the sparklers. It is a partial um, diamond painting kit that is diamond painted with sparklers. The size is 25 by 30 centimeters. I'm just trying to catch the angle to show you the sparkle, but no, the camera is not just showing it. So I have just a little bit left. It was going really very fast. I started it yesterday. I diamond painted for like, I don't know, 5 hours maybe, and more than half of the icon is already completed. And the majority of what I have to do more is the background, which is just one color. It should be really very fast. So I hope I will finish it tonight. This goes to my boss. He wants to give it as a present to his church. And the last but not the least, my beaded cross stitch kit from Russian Ukrainian company Bead Magic. I'm almost done. I know that I stayed in every single video when I show my work in progress projects, but I started um, the 19th page out of 20 of black and white canvas. So I just have to complete the 19th page, and then I will start working on the 20th, and I will be done. Hopefully it will take me a few months, if not less, to do that. And one more thing that I wanted to show you is my completed Easter egg. Finally, I finished it after Easter already, but better late than never. So this is a beaded cross stitch kit on a wooden base from Ukrainian company Magic of Land. So I purchased two eggs from them. One was red. I already showed it in one of my videos, and this is the blue one. And only after I started doing it, like in the middle, I realized that I should have, did it in blue and yellow shades instead of blue and yellow colors instead of blue and white, but that's fine. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.